Hi everyone, and welcome to this Python tutorial for beginners. In this video I will be covering the basics of Python, including how to use the Google Colab IDE, data types, operators, control flows, loops and functions. Whether you're completely new to this programming or looking to learn a new language, this tutorial is a great place to start. Python is a powerful programming language. Throughout this tutorial, I will be using real examples, practical exercises to help you understand the concepts and apply them to your own projects. You learn everything from how to print hello world to create custom functions and everything in between. By the end of this tutorial, you have a solid foundation in Python programming and the confidence to take on more complex projects. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of Python programming. So let's look at the syllabus. So we will look at Google Colabs, how to use the IDE. Then we will print hello world just to test how the IDE is working. Next we will look at some of the data types, integers, floats, strings, tuples, etc. Then we will go into operators. Like the example of the operators will be less than, greater than, comparison operators, and not equal operators. Then we will go into logical operators like the AND and the OR. Like the AND returns true if both sides are true, returns true if at least one condition is true. Further on we will use control flow like the if, else and elif. Then we will dive into for loops and while loops. Other than that, there's a lot of built-in functions we already will introduce with the print one. Then we will look at length, int and float, etc. After that we will just build a simple custom one where you will actually try to display your name without any parameters. Then we will write another function that you pass a parameter and display the name dynamically. Okay, thanks and for watching, and this is the end.